Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today my 5-year-old son and I will be making carrot juice, and carrot has so much health benefits. It is packed with nutrients. Guys, it is so good for you.
We're gonna make carrot juice.
It's so easy to get the kids helping you in the kitchen, and it's so rewarding to them.
Stop peeling the carrot.
Okay.
Peeling the carrot is healthy. Peeling the carrot's healthy. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Crunch that. You just can't crunch that. It's dripping! Yay!
Okay, then what are you making? Are you gonna drink it?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't like
You're gonna have to drink it.
it. Yeah!
So Aiden doesn't like carrot juice, but after he make this carrot juice, he drink it because he made it. So that's a good way to get your kids to eat stuff that they don't really like. If they make it or help you with it, they feel accomplished, so they will try it. So that's a good way. And I know making carrot juice, it takes a lot of carrots and it takes a lot of time. To peel all the carrot, it takes a while. So a good way you can do it is have the kids help you peel them.
This is a lot of one.
And not only that, while they're making the juice, it's fun to them. It's like they're playing.
Can I just drop it?
No, this one is too big, Aiden. Do small ones. Yeah, just drop the small one. You have to take your time and put them in.
It broke it. Broke. It's gonna get break. It's getting breaking. Yeah. I'm getting break.
So carrot has lots of health benefits, and it boosts your immunity. It helps your body fight diseases, damages, help fights against viruses, bacteria, and inflammation. All those you can get by drinking. So you can get all those benefits just drinking a glass of carrot juice a day. And this is not medical advice. I'm not giving any medical advice. I'm not a medical doctor. I'm just stating my opinion and research that I've done for me and my family and sharing it. And it helps lower your cholesterol and blood sugar maintenance, helps with eye health. And you don't have to make the juice if you don't like carrot juice. You can also grate the carrot. I do a lot of that daily. I consume carrots daily in my daily vegetables. So you can grate your carrots and put it on your food if you don't like to drink it. That's another way of doing it. So guys, not only we use the carrots, we also use the carrot peel in our compost. So this is what I put on my vegetables, and I'm gonna make some compost juice. I make compost juice with this to put on my vegetable, because a lot of you all know that I plant my own vegetables, so I know where my food is coming from. If I have to buy, I buy. If it's not in season, I'm not buying it. So I buy seasonal fruits, organic, and I plant my own. I'm trying to plant as much as I can, but we all know sometimes we can't do that because, you know, but these are the skin or the peel, the carrot's peel. You don't have to put this in the trash. You can use it for so much things. So that's a peel, and this is from the juice. So we put all these in the compost, and all the nutrients and vitamin, it's going back in the plant. So you don't have to waste nothing. We use it all. So guys, as always, thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next video. And please check out my story on my channel. You guys will see why I plant my own food, why I went plant-based, and I'm gonna continue doing it. So thank you all for watching, and thank you for following my journey. I love and appreciate all of you all. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.